from today. First off, we have the Canik TTI Combat 9mm pistol in Honey Badger and in Smoke. 18 round plus 1 capacity.
Some odd years ago, I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a free.
Next up, we have the Canik Mete SF1 series 9mm pistol, 15 plus 1 in strawberry and in mint chocolate chip.
Of highway, every foot of back road, every mile.
Next up, we have the Browning Buck Mark Plus Vision Americana in 22 LR.
I got a gal in Cincinnati, a woman in San Antonio.
Here we have the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 and 380 ACP with a Lucky Cerakote.
But any place is home.
Next up here we have the Chris Vector SDP in 45 ACP. It has a Crimson Trace Red Dot SB tactical brace and a Holosun PID flashlight.
Every foot of back road.
Next up we have the Henry SPD Cruiser lever action rifle in 4570. This is a 16.5-inch barrel, 4 plus 1 rounds in brown. Also, we have the Henry SPD Hush Series 4570. This is a 16.5-inch barrel, 4 plus 1 rounds in black.
In Norfolk, Virginia.
Here we have the Winchester Wildcat 22 LR rifle in OD green.
Born man. My home is on my back. I know every.
We got so many new guns at the shop, you just need to come on down and take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Leave a comment if you can. Thank you for your attention.